Hi, this is for my Challenge 5 for the Basic Tools badge, and here, as you can see, this is my OneDrive storage here, and this is all my folders for my classes for this semester. As you can see, I have two folders that say EDCI 270 on them. One is when I took it freshman year, and the other one is when I'm taking it right now. As you can see here, I have my EDCI 270 year 2. I'm going to click on that, and it shows the two documents that I've done so far in this class, and of course my course theme folder. So how you can create a new doc file or anything within here is you click this button, it says new, and you can click either folder, Word doc, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Excel form, or a Visio drawing, or even a link. So let's click Word document. And as you can see, it has given me a fresh page to do anything if I wanted to share it with my EDCI 270 folder or even my course theme folder. And if I'm wanting to share it, I click share over here, either copy link or the share button. And I can send it to whoever I want right here. And once I save it, saved up here, I'll be able to place this document in whatever folder I want that is on my OneDrive. So say that I'm wanting to write a document about something within my course theme during the semester. I can click EDCI 270 year 2, course theme, and move here. And as you can see, it has been saved in my course theme folder. And that is it. Thank you so much.